Dedication of Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail link to the nation by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a historic leap for Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail link, the USBLR, is one of the most ambitious railway projects undertaken in independent India, stretching 272 kilometers through the rugged Himalayas. The project has been built at a cost of 43,780 crores. It includes 36 tunnels that span 119 kilometers and 943 brigades that knit together valleys, ridges, and mountain passes. Designed to overcome the region's challenging geography, it connects remote areas to the national railway network and marks a new chapter in mobility, trade, and tourism for Jammu and Kashmir. There are many unique aspects which make this project a remarkable feat of engineering. One of the most outstanding features of the USBLR project is India's longest transportation tunnel, T50. This engineering marvel is 12.77 kilometers long and has cameras placed at every 50 meters for safety and operational data purposes. It will operate between Kharisumbar railway stations. The project also has India's second longest transportation tunnel, T80, known as the Pir Panjal Railway Tunnel. It is 11.22 kilometers long. India's third longest railway tunnel, T44, is also a part of this prestigious project. It stretches over 11.13 kilometers. One of the most remarkable feats achieved in this project is the unique and iconic railway bridges. Chenab Bridge is the world's highest railway arch bridge, 1.3 kilometer long. It is built at a height of 359 meters, which is approximately 35 meters higher than the Eiffel Tower. It has steel welding of more than 600 kilometers. Similarly, another engineering marvel is the Anji Bridge, which is India's first cable-stayed railway bridge. Its length is 725.5 meters. The bridge is balanced on the axis of a single central pylon. Height of a single pylon is 193 meters from the top of foundation, while the total number of stay cables are 96. Total running length of all stay cable strands is 653 kilometers, which is more than the distance between Jammu to Delhi. Further, advanced construction technique was specifically adapted to the complex geological and seismic conditions of the Himalayan region, called as the Himalayan tunneling method. Bureau Report, DD India.